Today we are inside one of the most expensive Class A gas motorhomes on the market. This is a 2025 Tiffin Motorhome. It's a open road. It's a 32 SA. This is going to offer 2 slide outs, king size bed, and I'm going to show you in this video why this is the most expensive Class A motorhome you can buy in 2025. Let's go take a look. One of my favorite sayings when it comes to motorhomes is the fun starts when the key is in the ignition. That's 100% true. My goal with owning a Class A gas motorhome is wherever you want to go, you just got to turn your ignition on and go. In this 2025 Tiffin Open Road, you're going to have all the luxuries from home, from real wood cabinetry to the best quality construction. And this motorhome is designed to last. Tiffin is known for their, legacy in the RV business from 1972. Bob Tiffin and his papa grew the company at an early age in Red Bay, Alabama, and now it's one of the top motorhome companies in the industry and one of the best motorhome manufacturers, in my opinion. They do everything right, from the cabinetries to the compartment doors to just building the best possible coach out there. Let's take a tour at the rest of this coach. So this unit's going to have beautiful lighting throughout the whole motor coach. You're going to have recliners and a dinette right here. You're also going to have a beautiful kitchen with solid surface countertops, residential refrigerator, a TV with the fireplace, and a conventional microwave. You're going to have 2 ACs on this motor coach, so it's going to keep you cool all summer long. In Texas, that's a necessity. You're also going to have this nice TV above the driver, so if you have any guests traveling with you, they can watch TV going down the road. You're going to have these nice, comfortable driver and passenger chairs. Tiffin uses some of the best materials on their furniture. And there's a lot of fit and finishes on this motorhome that you would not see in any other RV in the segment. This is built more like a diesel motorhome instead of a gas coach. From the tile flooring to the elegant furniture to the solid surface cabinetry, or solid surface countertops, and the hardwood cabinetry in this coach. It is built to last. Steel backed frames along all these cabinet doors so they won't rattle or fall over time. I misspoke about the recliner. This is a sofa bed, so if you have any guests, you can bring people here and sleep. You also have a multiplex system here, where you're going to allow to control and operate all these functions like your lighting, your generator, your slide out controls, and other options from the panels located throughout the coach or on your cell phone. This unit is going to be listed retail for $264,960, which makes this the most expensive Class A gas motorhome on the market. The whole point of this video is to share some of the differences between this and other less expensive Class A motorhomes. This is not for everyone. This is just for the person that wants the best quality, products. And honestly, this is the least expensive motorhome that Tiffin offers in a Class A. So you're going to have a king bed, cabinetry throughout this whole camper. This is all real wood. This is handcrafted in-house in Red Bay, Alabama. Super nice. Very well built. You have so much storage in this RV. You're going to have recessed lighting throughout and also motion sensing lighting. You're going to have these switch panels throughout the whole camper so you can control the function of all the lights, the fans, stuff like that. Nice big split bathroom. So you're going to have your sink and your toilet in one with all this extra cabinetry, soft touch ceiling, and then you're also going to have a one-piece fiberglass shower in this motor coach. For having only 2 slide outs, this unit is very open. There's a lot of room. There is a lot of options that you can equip this motorhome with that this motorhome does not have. We opted without the bed above the driver chair. You can get a bed over here. You will lose some of these cabinets and also the TV. And then I believe you can get recliners, but we ordered this with the sofa bed. You're going to have the auto level up front, which is standard on Tiffin, on this Tiffin Open Road. This unit has a lot of standard features, which makes the price a lot more expensive than your average Class A motorhome. With only 808 miles, this unit is brand new. They drive them all from Red Bay, Alabama to us. You're going to have the 7.3 liter V8 gas engine, Kenwood stereo, backup camera, side cameras, and you even have a little window for your furry friend, but that's really to make sure that you can see what's on your blind spot. You have windows throughout the whole RV. I just have the window shades down right now, but yeah, nice window, a lot of great sunlight. Let's go take a look at the outside. So this 2025 Tiffin Open Road is going to have a one-piece fiberglass front cap. Very stunning. They pull the cap all the way to the sidewall, and then they fill in the seam with more fiberglass. They smooth it out, and then it goes through a 7-stage paint process, which is very great to see in person. There's about 20 to 25 gallons of paint on this coach, BASF, which is, you know, top of the line paint, high quality, and then they use about 15 to 10 gallons of clear coat on this product specifically. So this paint is designed to last. Even in the owner's manual, it recommends to wash with a wool brush. They do not recommend a regular brush because this will damage the paint and the clear coat. So very elegant, very nice. You're also going to have a one-piece fiberglass roof on top and a one-piece fiberglass rear cap. So this unit is put together better than 99% of the motorhomes on the market. Everyone else is going to use TPO on the roof, which is a rubber material. Tiffin has a very awesome process where they create this fiberglass roof, and even the ducting for the AC is very impressive to see. They use a shortened air system, so it's going to cool very efficient, very quiet, nice quality. You're going to have chrome mirrors with side cameras on this unit, nice frameless windows. There goes your galley window. Very intricate paint throughout the whole coach. You're going to have a tankless water heater on this motorhome, so on demand hot water. And then they also included this wind sensor Girard awning with the LED strip here, so that's going to come out. There's no arms, meaning whenever the awning is out, you won't basically run into the arm that extends it. So it's an armless awning, really high end. One of the biggest advantages of this Tiffin motorhome, besides this name and badge, and this is me getting sidetracked, it's just everything, the attention to details. Most of these parts are built in the USA, just like this compartment door. This is like a safe door. Tiffin owners know this. This is one of the biggest advantages of buying a Tiffin motorhome. It's built very well, designed to last, and these compartment doors are no different. These are custom built doors that they do in Red Bay, Alabama. They have a machine shop where they customize all of these doors, slam latch doors, very easy to shut, chrome handles throughout. These are one of the best compartment doors on the market, and you do even get a pass-through storage. Oops, let me see if you can see it. But pass-through storage throughout the RV. I'm going to leave this compartment open so you can see it on the other side. You have a central vacuum system in here as well, and also an outside entertainment. With Tiffin, they're going to add the nicest appliances, so all name brand, OG TV. This is an access panel for the refrigerator. You have your water tank here, so this is your fresh tank. They're all going to come with electric heating pads to keep these tanks from freezing. So really nice feature they do. These are all going to have Alcoa aluminum wheels throughout. Michelin tires is the preferred tire from Tiffin Motorhome. This unit is going to have propane on board, and they put storage wherever they can. That's a pass-through storage on that end. I'm going to leave this door open so you can see it. Built by Tiffin Motorhomes in Red Bay, Alabama. You have your inverter switch and battery disconnect switch and your 4 deep cycle batteries here on a tray for easy access. All these slide outs are hydraulic, so that's one of the advantages of buying a Tiffin motorhome opposed to, let's say, a Winnebago motorhome. This is a Vista. Just to point out 2 differences really quick, is this is on a slim rack. This is on an electric slide out system, so those can fail anytime. They can come out lopsided and crooked, versus this is all on a hydraulic system. It's very fast, very efficient, very quick, very durable, built to last. Notice the cap also, this is a 1-piece fiberglass cap. Tiffin uses some of the best fiberglass on the market, very thick fiberglass. And then this one isn't. This Winnebago is going to have multiple trim pieces, not a 1-piece, a lot of seams, so leak proof. And this motorhome, between the two, there's about a $60,000 difference in price. So you get what you pay for. Tiffin Motorhome is built to last. They deleted the ladder on the roof. It is pre-wired for one. They have the telescopic ladders that you can buy, and this unit comes with it. But that way it gives you this beautiful finish of the rear cap and all the Tiffin badging there. Very intricate paint. You also have your rear fueling station, so it's easy to fill up on the rear. You're going to have a receiver hitch on the back to tow up to 8,000 pounds. This unit is going to have a built-in surge protector, so it's going to protect your coach from any type of bad energy sources. You also have an upgraded Magnum energy inverter, so this is a big 2800 watt inverter, really nice. And even Tiffin added a place to run your compartment when your doors are closed. Slam latch, really nice. Tiffin upgrades to a 7,000 quiet gas generator, which the standard is typically 5,500. So this is enough power to run the whole motorhome with this big generator. Super quiet, very efficient. That is an upgrade that we opted for on this unit. Here's the hydraulic slide out point of view. You also have your wet bait compartment. It's going to have your outside shower, access to your water to turn on your water pump, and also easy access to your water pump. You're going to have a water filtration system there, your city water connection, laser edge valves, so it's going to show fresh water tank fill. That's where you hook up to your coax cable for TV, television. Even have a nice little area to put your water hose down, and an extra compartment to put your stinky hose, aka your sewer hose. Alrighty, that's neat to see. But here's the other access. This is a pass-through storage, in motion lighting, which is nice. Insulated compartment. Also, you have all that insulation in this unit to keep our items from freezing in this colder temperature all across the United States. And you have more compartment, slam latch door, your hydraulic pump, and also another pass-through storage compartment. This is very rare to see in this type of in a gas motorhome, is a pass-through storage. So for this model to be able to have all the storage it does is very impressive. And again, more storage, more slam latch compartments. Very beautiful built motorhome. Slide toppers throughout the whole RV. Just a stunning motorhome brand. If you are interested in getting the best price for this RV, please contact Jordy Hernandez, aka RV Tour Guy, at 281-716-0338. I will be at the RV show. This unit will be at the Houston RV show. So if you are interested in getting the best price, contact me or comment down below if you want to enter for a free chance to win some tickets to the RV show. You must be local or be at least willing to come to the show. Tickets would be given away to a few people who comment down RV show on this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you tell me, is this unit worth the price tag? Do you see the value? And if you think there's a more expensive Class A gas motorhome on the market, please tag me. We'd love to see it. But to my knowledge, this is one of the most expensive Class A gas motorhome brands on the market, Tiffin Open Road. There are bigger Class A gases, which we'll review in the future, but just to give you an idea of the shortest, most expensive Class A gas on the market, this is it. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a blessed day.